I'm not gonna lie, man. I love this type of content. I live for this type of content. They are special, is good. And I like the fact that the driving school industry is slowly changing. Like I mentioned many years ago, their code 10 is 2,000 Rand. Their code 14 is 4,500 Rand. Learners is free. You don't pay for learners. This price is including driving lessons. We all know how expensive driving lessons are. Some are charging 200 Rand per lesson, while others are charging 300 per lesson. They are saying truck hire is also included in this price. So, oh man, this is a good deal. Back in the days, we used to hire truck with 500 Rand, and also depending if you are hiring code 10 truck or maybe code 14 truck, prices differ. So if already they are going to give you a truck and you're paying 2,000 Rand for code 10, and you're also not paying for lessons, and you're also not paying for a learners, I mean, that's a good deal, man. That's a good deal. If I was in the process of getting a driver's license, definitely sure, I'll go with them. I am not playing the original audio simply because of the play music. I'm avoiding music copyright. But this is it. And they're going to dominate, bro. These prices are good. These prices are good. Imagine going for code 14 with 4,500. And they also have payment plan, whereby you can pay deposit and you can later on pay the remaining balance. I appreciate you guys showing me love and support. Let me record another video. Thank you.